This is not a normal cough. These are worms inside the lungs. The story starts in the pasture. A sheep eats grass and swallows tiny larvae without knowing. The larvae enter the body, travel through the blood, and reach the lungs. Inside the lungs, they grow, block the airways, and damage breathing. The animal coughs again and again, trying to survive. With every cough, the larvae leave the lungs and fall back onto the ground. The pasture becomes infected. The cycle starts again. One infected animal can spread this to the whole flock. Most farmers notice this problem too late. Don't scroll. Tap the white triangle below. You need to see this.